Welcome to Wonders of Learning. Today we'll have a short journey into the fascinating world of nature and wildlife. We'll explore the wonders of the natural world, from majestic animals to breathtaking landscapes. Let's start with the diverse habitats that support a wide array of wildlife. From the dense rainforests of the Amazon to the vast savannas of Africa, each habitat is home to unique species adapted to thrive in its specific environment. In the rainforest, listen to the symphony of sounds as colorful birds, like the scarlet macaw and toucans, flit among the canopy, while jaguars stealthily roam the forest floor. Dive beneath the waves to explore the wonders of marine life. Coral reefs, teeming with vibrant fish and other sea creatures, provide essential habitats and protect coastlines from erosion. Look closely at the delicate dance of a sea anemone and its clownfish inhabitants, demonstrating the mutualistic relationship that exists in the underwater world. Animals exhibit fascinating behaviors that help them survive and thrive in their environments. From the intricate dances of courtship to the strategic hunting techniques of predators, each behavior serves a specific purpose. The conservation of biodiversity is crucial to maintaining healthy ecosystems. Human activities such as deforestation and climate change threaten many species. Conservation efforts play a vital role in protecting endangered animals and preserving their habitats. Through collaborative efforts and awareness, we can ensure future generations can continue to marvel at the beauty and diversity of our planet's wildlife. As we conclude our journey through nature and wildlife, remember that each species, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, plays a unique role in our interconnected world. Let's celebrate and protect our natural heritage for generations to come.